So once you are in the DataCloud, we'll see how to connect the SalesForce CRM. On the left side you will see the SalesForce CRM. Once you click that, you will get these three options. On the top you have the Salesforce and click on the connect button. This will take few moments. Once you have that, the Salesforce org has been connected. A green label will be displayed on the top. It confirms you that the Salesforce is been connected, and on the status bar you will see the status as active. This confirms that SalesForce CRM is been connected. And if you wanted to connect any of the standard data bundles, you can do at the bottom. But before that, if you have multiple orgs, then it's better to change the name of the connector name into Om org or something as required. So if you want to connect the Service Cloud, click on the drop down here and click on install. That will take you to the different window to install the Service Cloud by CDP CRM1. So here I wanted to install for admins only, so I selected that option and then click on install. This will take again few minutes. After that you will see the installation complete. Click on done, and if come back to the previous page, but this is the installed packages list. You don't have to worry about that. It's just to confirm what all have been installed. So if you come back to the old page, there you will see the Service Cloud version, install version number. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.